To get the most out of a Banco Sabadell fixed deposit, it is essential to understand the concept and how it works. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that offers a fixed interest rate for a specific period, allowing you to earn a higher return on your investment. First, you need to determine your financial goals and the amount you want to invest. Consider how much you can afford to set aside and for how long. Banco Sabadell offers various fixed deposit options with different terms and interest rates, so it is crucial to choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you should research and compare the different fixed deposit options available. Look for the interest rate, term, and any fees or penalties associated with early withdrawal. It is also important to consider the minimum and maximum deposit amounts. Once you have selected the fixed deposit option, you can open an account online or at a Banco Sabadell branch. You will need to provide identification and proof of address, and you may need to transfer the funds from an existing account. To maximize your returns, it is recommended to keep your money invested for the full term. Withdrawing your money early may result in penalties or loss of interest. However, if you need access to your funds, you can consider opening a shorter-term fixed deposit or exploring other savings options. It is also essential to keep track of your fixed deposit account and review it regularly. You can do this online or by contacting Banco Sabadell directly. This will help you stay informed about any changes to the interest rate or terms and ensure that your investment is still aligned with your financial goals. Finally, consider laddering your fixed deposits to minimize risk and maximize returns. This involves dividing your investment into multiple fixed deposits with different terms, allowing you to take advantage of higher interest rates for longer-term deposits while still having access to your money when you need it. By following these tips and best practices, you can make the most of your Banco Sabadell fixed deposit and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.